So, hi friends, welcome back to my farm update. So, this is my third video. So, this is like 1 acre land which is right opposite to the chicken coop. So, here we have planted corn for the purpose of cows, goat, sheep. What I'm going to, raise it in future. So, we had all those old drips which is like not used for certain days. So right now, like we are getting it fixed with a you know, bigger drip, which is basically like rain drip. So I'll just show you that. So this is the one. So right now we have just fixed one. I'll just show you the connection. So the overall fitting cost me around 10k. So here's the line which gets directly connected to the bore. So once everything is done, I'll give you the final update. Thank you. So hi guys, so like morning as I told, so this is the final update. So we just had completed the work. So this is the final thing. So this is how I think you can see the water. So the pressure is a bit low as of now. So I'm getting the like motor changed to 2 HP directly from the sump. So this is how the water comes. So this is the final update on our like 1 acre corn farm for the livestock. Yeah, bye.